Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to focus our attention on the topic directed, or we say direct proportion. Two types of proportion, direct and indirect. This just focus on direct proportion. All of the concepts that will be covered will be based on those necessary in the partial fulfillment for the BJC mathematics. And let us look at a few typical questions that we may see, concepts that we need to master. Here is one of them. One bottle of water costs 40 cents. Find the cost of 2 bottles. And what you are going to see in these examples will be step-by-step approach. Okay? You are required to write the questions in their entirety, and then you are also going to write the solution using a step-by-step approach. You may pause the video at any time once you deem it necessary. Example number 2. We were given the cost for 4 chocolates. Then they had asked us for 3. So there is one step that must be followed before we find the cost of 3. How can you work it out? Here we go. 4 chocolate costs 80 cents. 1 chocolate will cost. Therefore, 3 chocolates cost. Alright? Let's look at another example. We need 600 milliliters of water to make 3 glasses of orange squash. How much water do we need to make 5 glasses? Once again, using a step-by-step approach, we were given for 3. We find the value for 1, and then we go to find the value for 5. Okay? 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. And here are a few example exercises for you to complete. 1, 2, 3. Write these questions in their entirety in your notebooks. Complete your solutions. Then your next task will be to ask questions at our next session, or you may post your questions below this video. Alright? Thank you.